December and January are busy months for the Cumberland County Tax Administration Office. Kathy Pittman provides information on the 2015 tax listing period and the resources available to help citizens.
December and January are two of the busiest months in tax administration. December, a lot of people are coming in to make their payments for the current tax year. The deadline to make the payments is January 5th, but if you want receipts for your income tax for 2014, you must make the payments by December 31st. January 6th will start the interest period for the taxes. Also, starting January 2nd, right after the New Year's holiday, begins our annual listing season, which goes on through the whole month of January. For 2015, there has not been any new changes or programs for listing. However, I would like to remind people that they no longer are required to list their pets, their cats and dogs, with tax administration as they have been in the past. They must list the pets directly now with animal control. The other thing is we do have a new online service for our business owners for them to request an extension to list, and they can do that directly online now. They may also submit this extension to list by mail, email, or fax. However, regardless of the method that they use to request this extension, it must be to us no later than the end of January. Each year the tax office publishes an annual listing poster, and we are required to post that throughout the county. So we place physical posters in over 300 locations. In addition to that, it is published in late December in the Fayetteville Observer, and we also have it online. And people can read that to get details on the types of property to list, when the listing period starts and when it ends, and also all of our contact information. It's very important that the information is received timely and also that the information is accurate. We have a lot of trouble with incorrect addresses, so that creates a lot of times a late listing penalty because you don't get your listing back to us on time. It's also important that you update all of the information about your taxable property, because whatever you put on the listing form is going to be used to generate your tax bill that will come out in August 2015. For first-time listers, like people that are new to the area or they've acquired a new boat or something like that, they will not receive anything in the mail from us regarding listing their property. They will have to contact us either by mail or in person in the office, or they can go to the website and get the forms and the instructions on our website. And the forms are fillable online now, and then they can print them off and send them in or bring them in. It's very important that citizens come in to our office or contact us early in the month of January. There seems to be a tendency to wait to the end of the month, and then we are very, very busy and people have to wait a long time for assistance. One of the most important things for citizens to remember is to actually sign and date their listing forms. That is a big problem, because if it is received unsigned, we must return it by mail, and then if it's been too close to the deadline, they may be penalized the 10% late list penalty. Some of the items too that people forget to list would be boats and boat motors. Most people, the boat trailers are registered through the Department of Motor Vehicles and they're taxed through that system. But however, the boats and the boat motors must be listed each year on your tax listing form. Another item that is often missed is mobile homes. Mobile homes that are not assessed as real property must be listed on your tax listing form. If you need help in determining if your mobile home has been appraised as real property, please contact our office and they will let you know. For businesses, items that are often overlooked are supplies and leasehold improvements. They are instructed on the back of the listing form all the different items that must be listed. However, it's pretty detailed, and if you need assistance, please contact our office. For real property, items that need to be reported would be any change in your property, excluding general maintenance. Okay, things like if you have added a deck, or you have changed a room that was unheated to heated square footage, or if you have removed a shed or perhaps put in a new shed. Those type of things would also need to be reported to our office in January to correct your tax records. After a long period of data entry where we gather all the information from the tax listing forms, a file is generated for the tax bills. Tax bills normally are mailed about the third week of August. The official due date is actually September 1st, but there's a very long grace period. The taxes do not have to be paid until January 5th. This allows people to make monthly payments or installment payments if they would like. And we have added a form on our website that people can download that form and let us know that they would like to make installment payments. Also, you will notice on the tax bills that come out in August that they can be paid by credit or debit card online 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can also pay by e-check, electronic check draft, and there is no fee if you pay by e-check. If you need assistance, our office is located on the 5th floor of the new courthouse at 117 Dick Street. We are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. To ensure a smooth listing season for everyone involved, please make sure you list early and contact our office by phone, email, or through the website for assistance.